What if I told you that just beyond our own solar system lies a magnificent cosmic wonder, a swirling cradle of stars, gas, and dust? This stunning spectacle is known as the Great Orion Nebula, a captivating region of space that has fascinated astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. How did this nebula come to be, and what secrets does it hold? Join me as we embark on a journey through the science behind this incredible astronomical phenomenon. Located approximately 1,344 light-years away from Earth, the Orion Nebula is part of the larger Orion constellation, which is easily recognizable in the night sky. It is often referred to as M42, a designation that comes from its catalog number in the Messier catalog. But calling it simply a nebula does not do justice to its complexity and beauty. The Orion Nebula is a stellar nursery, a region where new stars are born from the dense clouds of gas and dust. Imagine standing on a distant planet, gazing up at the sky. The view is breathtaking. Bright stars twinkle amid a tapestry of colors and textures. You might notice the nebula glowing with a soft, pink hue, a result of ionized hydrogen gas that lights up when it's excited by the intense radiation emitted from young, hot stars. This luminescent display is not just a pretty sight. It provides invaluable information about the processes occurring in this stellar nursery. As we delve deeper into the Orion Nebula, we uncover the very ingredients that make up this cosmic masterpiece. The nebula contains a vast amount of gas, primarily hydrogen, along with helium, carbon, oxygen, and other trace elements. This mixture of elements is crucial for star formation. Under the right conditions, these gases can clump together, forming dense regions known as molecular clouds. Within these clouds, gravity takes hold, pulling the material together and initiating the birth of new stars. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Orion Nebula is its age. Despite being a site of ongoing stellar formation, the nebula itself is relatively young in cosmic terms, estimated to be around 2 million years old. It is a dynamic environment, constantly evolving as new stars ignite and others are born. Some of the brightest stars in the nebula, known as the Trapezium stars, are among the youngest inhabitants of the region. These massive, hot stars emit powerful radiation that not only shapes the surrounding gas and dust, but also triggers the formation of even more stars by compressing nearby material. But what happens to the gas and dust in the Orion Nebula as stars form? The intense energy produced by the Trapezium stars causes nearby gas to heat up, creating shock waves that compress the material. This, in turn, leads to the birth of new stars. It's a beautiful cycle of creation and destruction, where the remnants of one star's life can become the building blocks for the next generation. As we observe the Orion Nebula through powerful telescopes, we can see evidence of this star formation. The nebula is dotted with bright, young stars that illuminate the surrounding gas and dust. Some of these stars are still in the process of forming, surrounded by disks of material from which they will eventually acquire their planets. This ongoing activity makes the Orion Nebula a prime target for astronomers studying the birth of stars and planetary systems. One of the most exciting discoveries made in the Orion Nebula is the presence of protoplanetary disks. These disks, often referred to as accretion disks, are composed of gas and dust that orbit around young stars. Within these disks, particles collide and stick together, gradually forming larger bodies. Over time, these bodies can grow into planets, moons, and even entire planetary systems. The study of protoplanetary disks in the Orion Nebula has provided astronomers with valuable insights into the conditions and processes that lead to the formation of planetary systems, including our own. But the mysteries of the Orion Nebula don't end there. As we look closer, we find that the nebula is also home to a variety of fascinating structures known as Bok globules. These are small, dense clouds of gas and dust that can collapse under their own gravity to form new stars. Bok globules are often seen as dark patches against the bright backdrop of the nebula, and they serve as indicators of the stellar birth process. By studying these globules, astronomers can gain a better understanding of the early stages of star formation. Furthermore, the Orion Nebula is a treasure trove of information about the interactions between stars and their environment. The intense radiation from the Trapezium stars not only heats the gas and dust, but also shapes the surrounding region. As the stars emit powerful stellar winds, streams of charged particles, they push away the surrounding material, creating cavities and shock fronts. This complex interplay of forces leads to the dynamic and ever-changing landscape of the nebula. As we explore the Orion Nebula, we also encounter the fascinating phenomenon of stellar feedback. This term refers to the impact that newly formed stars have on their surrounding environment. When massive stars form and begin to burn brightly, they emit intense radiation and strong stellar winds that can disrupt the nearby gas and dust. This feedback can trigger new rounds of star formation, creating a cascade of births and deaths throughout the nebula. The study of the Orion Nebula is not just a scientific endeavor, it also connects us to our place in the universe. The processes that occur within this stellar nursery are thought to be representative of what happens in other regions of the cosmos. By understanding the Orion Nebula, we gain insights into the formation of stars and planets throughout the universe, including our own solar system. But what about the future of the Orion Nebula? As stars continue to form and evolve within this region, the nebula itself will undergo significant changes. Over time, the massive stars will reach the end of their lives, ultimately exploding as supernovae. These explosive events will not only enrich the surrounding gas with heavy elements, but also create shock waves that can trigger further star formation. The cycle of life and death in the nebula will continue, ensuring that it remains a vibrant site of cosmic activity. As we gaze at the Orion Nebula from our vantage point on Earth, we are reminded of the vastness and complexity of the universe. Each star that twinkles in the night sky represents countless stories of formation, evolution, and eventual demise. The Orion Nebula serves as a reminder that we, too, are part of this grand cosmic narrative, a narrative that stretches across billions of years and countless light years. In conclusion, the Great Orion Nebula is more than just a beautiful sight in the night sky. It is a dynamic laboratory of stellar formation, a cradle for new stars, and a testament to the intricate processes that govern our universe. From the birth of stars to the formation of planets, the Orion Nebula holds the keys to understanding our cosmic origins. As we continue to explore this magnificent region of space, we uncover not only the secrets of stars and planets, but also the very nature of our existence in this vast universe. So, what lies ahead in our quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos? The Orion Nebula is just one of many wonders that await our exploration. As we continue to develop new technologies and gather more data, who knows what astonishing discoveries await us? Each new finding adds to the tapestry of knowledge that connects us to the stars. Will we one day find life beyond our planet, or unlock the secrets of dark matter and dark energy? The possibilities are endless. As we stand on the brink of new discoveries, let us remain curious and adventurous, ready to embrace the unknown. Who knows what other cosmic mysteries lie just beyond the horizon? Stay tuned for more explorations into the wonders of the universe. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on this thrilling journey through space as we continue to unveil the secrets of the stars and the stories they tell. What awaits us next in our quest for knowledge? The journey is just beginning, and the stars are calling.